Hi, this is Brandon Pedersen. I'm with Remax Lakes Area Realty in Cross Lake, and here to talk today a little bit about the market and about what's going on and where we see things moving in the future. 2011 was a real rocky year in real estate. We had a large amount of bank-owned properties, lender-mediated sales, things like that were pushing the values down, and we had a lot of uncertainty with buyers, making them reluctant to make a move, and very uneasy about investing in real estate. That changed about August of last year. We had a really good last half of 2011. That turned out stronger, and the buyers were moving, and that's continued now into 2012. January's been a great month for us. We've written several contracts, got several things on the books ready to go for 2012 now. So the market's taking off pretty well. People are showing a lot more confidence. The market seems to have found a bottom, and so there's some stability, and people are much more comfortable investing into the real estate market at this point. My belief is that's going to continue in 2012. I think is going to be a strong year real estate. I think there's some great buys to be had. Prices aren't jumping up in the near term, and interest rates appear to be very low and going to remain that way, remain very attractive. So people are seeing it as a great time to buy, a great time to get into the market. I hope you do too. Please give me a call. It's Brandon Pedersen. I'm with Remax Lakes Area Realty in Cross Lake, and I'd love to help you out. Thank you.